Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AK Coding. Today we will discuss very important topics of database, that is database scaling, that play a crucial role in improving database performance, handling high traffics and ensuring application scalability. Database scaling can be achieved in two main ways, that is vertical scaling and horizontal scaling. Vertical scaling, also known as scaling up, it is scaling by adding more CPU, RAM, disk on an existing machine. Horizontal scaling is also known as sharding, is the practice to adding more servers. Sharding separates large datasets into smaller, more easily managed part, that is called shards. Here are the example of sharded databases. User data is allocated to the database server based on user IDs. Anytime you access data, a hash function is used to find corresponding shard. In our example, user ID mod for a hash function. If the result is 0, shard 0 is used to store and fetch data. If the result equal to 1, shard 1 is used. The same logic applies to the other shards. This picture shows user table in sharded databases. The most important factor to consider when implementing a sharding strategy is the choice of sharding key. The sharding key is also known as a partitioning key. It consists of one or more columns that determine how data is distributed. As you can see in this picture, user ID is sharding key. A sharding key allows you to retrieve and modify data efficiently by routing data query to the correct database. When choosing a sharding key, one of the most important criteria is to choose key that can evenly distribute data. Sharding is a great technique to scale databases, but it is far from the perfect solution. It introduces complexity and new challenges to the system. Now, if your system became millions of users and beyond, scaling a system is an iterative process. Iterating on what we learn in this session could get us far. More fine-tuning and new strategy are needed to scale beyond millions of users. For example, you might need to optimize your system and decouple the system to even smaller services. All techniques learned in this session should provide a good fundamentals to tackle new challenges. To conclude this session, we provide a summary how to scale your system to support millions of users. Keep web tier stateless. Build redundancy at every tier. Cache data as much as you can. Support multiple data centers. Host static asset in CDN. Scale your data tier by sharding. Split tiers into individual services. Monitor your system and use automation tools. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome tech insights videos. See you next time. Until then, keep coding and stay curious.